Good day, everybody. It's your girl Cleo P. Welcome to my Christmas vlog. So, guys, I'm a bit behind. It's already Christmas Eve, and I am only now wrapping my Christmas gifts for my family. So, I'm bringing you along. I'm not good at wrapping things, guys, so please don't judge me. If I don't use the Japanese way or anything like that, please don't judge me. Please. And I'm gonna sit you guys down and then I'm gonna continue. So okay, guys, so please forgive me if I have my focus face on. This is me actually having to wrap something, guys. I'm not good at this, please, so don't judge me. So I think I'm gonna first cut a few pieces of tape there. That way I know the tape is at least accurate. But yeah, that's about it. So I think this is enough pieces of tape, so I'm gonna start wrapping now. It took me 5 years to do that. But yeah, everybody else's gifts and things is already under the tree. It's just Ika because I am starig. Guys, so please forgive me for being starig. It's not my fault. I don't do it intentionally. Please. And like I said, I'm not good at this, so please, please don't judge me. I'm doing what my mind says. That's right, yeah, do that. Oh, but this is not right. I don't know. I've never read Christmas presents before. This is literally my first time. But yeah, usually I usually just like give bags, because I don't like wrapping stuff. Reads for this reason because then now I have to now figure out where everything is going and how to put it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just gonna think of this as a book. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna focus now. I'm gonna think of this as a school book because I used to rap a lot of those. So I'm gonna think of this as a school book. I know I'm not supposed to be cutting stuff, but I'm cutting. I'm cutting. Leave me alone. So I'm gonna be quiet now and I'm gonna rap this. This might be the only present you'll see me rapping. So yeah. That's the other side. It's red completely, guys. So yeah. Okay, guys. So I went to go get the other stuff that I wrapped. These things I wrapped. Those 4 things are the only things that I finished wrapping, and I still have this whole bag to do. So I'm gonna catch you later when I'm done, and then I'll show you how my wrapping skills improved or declined during the time. But yeah, see you guys in a bit. Guys, I'm laughing here because I'm wrapping like a really funny shaped object, and it's not giving. But we are gonna do this come what may. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I genuinely don't know what I'm doing. I'm just literally going with the flow at this point because this is not working. Yeah, I don't know. It's not working out. Okay, okay, okay. I can't read this one. I really can't read this. Oh, and I didn't cut tape. Okay, but anyway, I said I'll get back to you. I'll get back to you. Okay, guys. It took me at least, I don't know, 20 minutes to wrap all these gifts. But yeah, so we're gonna just quickly, very quickly, write my wrapping skills. And I will personally rate it, ne, guys. But you all can even in the comment section write it also. But we'll start with the small things. So I think these things were okay, like more or less okay, but I could have done better. If I did it more diligently, I could have done better. But then again, I don't have a lot of time, but also I still could have done better because it's blocky objects, square objects, rectangular objects, sorry. So I should have done better, but I didn't. So yeah. And then thus, yeah. I also feel like I should have done better. But I did horribly with this. And this is a lateral scoop, like blocky object. So I could have done better. This was a weird shaped object. So I just rolled the wrapping paper around it and then I put the ends together. But yeah, I was supposed to write it, so I write this 4.5 out of 10. These ones. Then I write this. I should have done better, guys. I give it a 2 out of 10. Thus, I will say it was good effort because it's an unusual object, so it was good effort. So I will say a solid 7 out of 10. Then yeah, oh, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened here, but it's a wrap, guys. But for this, I tried, guys. I tried. I'm not good at this, but I tried. This I will give I could have also done better with this. I'm gonna give it a 5. Oh, and then these two, I don't know what happened. That's just, yeah. And then this, yeah, I don't know what I did here actually, because I was swallowing and turning and it ended up like this, yeah. And I just put a sticky tape there and I was like, I'm done. I don't even know, guys. I don't know what I did. So I think for this one, because it was the first one and I tried, and I feel like the first one came out better than the second one, because with the second one I started overthinking a lot. This one is the second one, this one is the first one. So this one, it was like, okay, let's just go with the flow. And it came out, yeah, good. So I'm giving this one a 6 out of 10. And then this one, I just swallowed it. I rolled it, basically. But this one I'm gonna give, oh, this one, I'll give it a 4, because, no, I don't know what I was doing there. Okay, this is the last one. This one was simple. It was okay. I did my best. The only thing is I used multiple pieces of tape. And I was only supposed to use one. I was trying to only use one. But this one, yeah, I'll give like a 8.5 out of 10. Because I did good. I did very good. The paper isn't lopsided. The paper isn't loose. Like, it's just nice. It's solid. And the sides look like a present when you see so. I think when I put it around the Christmas tree, all the ugly ones are just shoved in the back. And then this one I'll put nice here in the front. It was trouble, but it was nice to do this. And I actually enjoyed it. But now I have to go do my hair because tomorrow is Christmas and I only have a few hours left before Christmas. But now I'm gonna go do my hair. And then I will see you guys again soon. Stay tuned for the next video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Love you.